now. I'm trying to. It was supposed to be a DanTDM play button, but that went wrong. So I just changed it. So it just has some scribbles of red. I want you to like this. I want you to like
Is
this.
there paint on your hand?
No. I want you to like.
I don't know anything, but I will kill you.
I want you to leave a big thumbs up and subscribe
Stop.
if you want
You'll
more
piss me off more than
videos.
I already am.
Please. Please.
You look like you're fine.
Please.
Start painting, 'cause I'll kill you. You don't.
So,
Good. Feel bad about yourself.
my sister is yelling at my brother. I'm sorry I can't show you her because she doesn't want to be on camera.
What color is this? Oh, this is fucking gray.
Holy shit.
Oh, okay. I didn't know.
I thought that was silver.
It says gray. Oh, this is still fuzzy. I don't like wasting paint, 'cause, huh? Huh? Stop, 'cause I'm a baby. What the fuck? Hold on, let me just shake it. As it explodes. God damn it. Are you still recording?
Yes.
Oh, look at it. It looks like poop.
I know.
Did you see that?
Guys, I'm sorry that I can't show you the play button. It's because my sister
Your
is
fister?
facing.
What the fuck is a fister?
It's facing right towards it. Hiya!
You wanna fight?
Haley, can you move out of the way?
I need the paint.
I'll go close. Look at that play button. And guys, if you want this, you have to come to Tractor Suit Trimmers. I will be making more one day.
This is gonna be DanTDMs.
This is not going to be DanTDMs anymore, William. I messed up. So, that's what it looks like right now. I'm going to show you the back later once I paint it. And I used tin foil. See, that's tin foil.
Well, they know that.
Well, maybe they don't.
There's
You said it.
yeah.
And mostly, why would they know to begin with? They can't even see the silver on it.
Yes, they can. There's silver.
You know what I'm going to call this?
What the fuck? Why'd you move it?
I'm going to call this the silver diamond play button.
You okay, Will?
I've Mom,
Belly hurting?
come look at the play button I have made. I just have to do the back
What? Where?
over there.
Oh, nice. Good job. Make sure you guys clean up your messes.
I haven't finished it yet.
You're doing great.
I have to paint. I have to make sure it dries and paint the back.
Yeah?
Uh-huh.
Awesome. Keep up the good work. I gotta go potty. This actually dries pretty fast.
Oh, really? I don't want to touch it because Mommy's in the bathroom.
Ah! Oh no! The attack of this. Ooh, yours looks cute.
I hate mine.
Can I paint while?
I gotta move it away from.
Can I paint your 8?
As long as you don't
didn't even look at yours.
Haley, I don't like mine so far.
Why?
Look at it.
Look cute.
It looks like a little butterfly.
You're still recording?
Yeah.
It's been what, 2 minutes?
6.
6, really?
Yep.
Okay, I guess this is gonna be part blue and part black, because, you know,
I can't control my paintbrush.
see, look, it's gonna be like black and blue a little bit, but that's okay.
I may actually put a little bit of red on
I
it.
might put black and yellow to it.
Black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow. You mean SpongeBob, SpongeBob Black Hole, SpongeBob Black Hole.
I'm doing black around the edges. Guys, you want to see mine so far?
Williams is a butterfly.
Cute.
This is a butterfly. It's butterflies.
Guys, wait
No
a
matter
second.
what color they are. Cute.
Okay, I've been shitting like all morning.
She has.
Don't tell him that.
Oh, you're still recording?
Yeah, what the fuck? We need some more blue paint.
No, you use guys good or you need anything?
I may come out and need something.
Yeah, I'll be out there. Just when you come out, then just hold the window.
Okay.
Make sure you wear proper clothing. You don't
Yeah,
need
like
that much
Venus.
paint, Colin. What? Just talking to Colin. I've been like shitting all day, you know. Okay, it's not just me. I only shit twice.
Yeah, actually, this paint dries really fast on wood.
Yeah, it's supposed to dry fast.
I don't think it's drying fast. Wait, Mom. No, please. He's going to mess up everything.
Alright, I'll bring him. I'll bring him with me, it's fine.
He's going to get me wet.
Man, watch his pull.
Man, watch his pool.
Haley, how do you like it? I turned it from red. I turned it from. How do you like that? It's got a little hairstyle at the top.
Yeah, it's my hair. Oh, wait, no. You have to put it blue because my hair's going to go blue.
Your hair's not gonna be blue.
Yeah, I'm going to dye my hair.
No, you're not.
I'll shave it.
No!
What?
It fell. Oh, I didn't stand the rug at least.
That's a good thing. Actually, no, we could just like get a paper towel.
Yeah.
Can I have another paper towel real quick?
They're behind me. Hold on.
I'll get the...
You're like making me ruin it. Like, what's wrong with you? Let's put some fucking polka dot.
Aw, I'm gonna put polka dots on the back.
Polka dot, polka dot, polka dot.
Look how I'm making my sister's H.
Are those all like the?
Her name is Hey.
Hey, what?
Yeah, just say my fucking name. Don't be fucking retarded as fuck.
Haven't we said your name in a video before?
Yes, that Bean Boozle video.
Yeah, the Bean Boozle video.
Oh, and you can't take down those videos. Oh yeah, when Grandma took down our videos.
Polka dot, afro, polka dot, afro circus, afro circus. Polka dot, polka dot, polka dot, polka dot, polka dot.
Shut up! Everyone give a dislike on his channel.
Look how pretty it looks.
Look how ugly it
Oh, I
looks.
like that.
Let me see.
Let me
No,
see your fucking
no,
face.
I was saying about Williams. Let me see your, show them yours. Just keep your face out of it. Yeah, that. You don't want to show your face. You don't want to show your identity.
They actually already found it.
I deleted that video.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did.
I didn't delete it off my channel.
Haley, you want to paint more? I'm done painting. Let's paint this.
What the fuck is that?
It's your H. So guys, try and guess my sister's name. I already gave you a hint. Starts with H.
Where did I put my paintbrush over here?
So yeah, it's in the book. I wish I knew how to do video game videos, cause my cousin somehow did that, and now I can't. Yeah, fucker, she's the only one with a YouTube.
I thought you knew how.
So mostly these are just vlogs. Sometimes I mostly do vlogs, and I have a gaming channel.
That yellow side one.
Okay, guys, this is the end. This is the end of this video. I will start making another video. What today after the paint dries, I'll start making another video. Z's, people, Z's. Hit Z.